We're making corned beef hash with some amazing leftovers from dinner we had last night. We made our own pastrami. If you want to check out that video, there'll be a link above. And then we had some red skin potatoes and carrots. And so now I've got a bunch of leftovers, which is what makes the best hash. So let's jump right into it. Right here, this is my leftover potatoes, carrots. This is my corned beef slash pastrami. If you're not sure what the difference is, pastrami is just corned beef that's been smoked. It's got a nice peppery crust with some coriander and mustard seed. So I'm gonna chop all these up real quick. We're gonna go for more of a rustic corned beef hash, unlike my last one where I was trying to go for the canned texture. So let's start cutting some of this up. And we're gonna start with the corned beef. I chose the corned beef from the Point. It's got real nice fat content. You need good fat content for a good hash, otherwise it's gonna be really dry. So I'm just gonna cut these up here. Like I said, a rougher cut, which means a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna dice it. Just like so. And it was super tender, guys, so this cuts very easy. All right, now for my potatoes. I did reheat these just a little bit in the microwave to help speed things up here. But I'm gonna dice these up as well. And they're really soft. We did these in a pressure cooker actually yesterday. So, get these cut up. Okay, so we got our corned beef, we got our potatoes. Let's do the carrots. This was a suggestion from a viewer on my last video, and I really like this idea. These carrots are gonna give a nice, sweet flavor to this. So I'm gonna dice these up here. Just like that. Okay, now these next two are totally optional. This is some diced white onion that I cut up earlier. I've got some diced green pepper just for a little bit of color. And the first thing I got to do is cook those onions and green peppers up a little bit till they're translucent. So I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil and I'm gonna put it into my cast iron pan, just like so. One onion in there, just to see if it's hot enough. And it's sizzling, so I'm gonna sprinkle in about a half of a diced medium onion. Spread that out. Add just a little bit of green pepper. Like I said, this is more for color than anything. So I'm gonna cook these off for about 2 minutes. All right, that's good enough. Temporarily gonna take them out. Gonna add just a little bit more oil. And we'll put in our potatoes. We'll mix these around. We wanna get them nice and crispy. These should be like home fries. Okay, and now's the time you want to start seasoning. So I've got some coarse ground black pepper. You want to season these really good, guys. Some garlic powder. And some coarse kosher salt. Give them a little turnover. All right, nice. See that crust we're getting on those? That's what we want. This corned beef hash is as much about texture as it is flavor. You want that nice crispy bits of potato mixed in with all those vegetables and corned beef. So we're getting ready to dump in our carrots and corned beef just as soon as we get a little bit nicer of a crust on those potatoes. So let's see how we're looking now. That's perfect. Okay, let's add in our leftover carrots. Put our onions and peppers back in. Just kind of mix those around. Add our corned beef. And we'll mix that in too. Now that's starting to look like hash. All right, let's see how we're doing now. We're getting close. See all those nice crispy bits? All right, we got a real nice crust on the top and bottom. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna crack a couple eggs on top of this, and then we're gonna throw it in a preheated oven. I've got my oven inside set to 350 degrees. So we're gonna get the eggs in, and then we'll put it inside for about 10 minutes, and this thing will be ready to eat. So let's do the eggs. Okay, so what I like to do, I'm just gonna make a little bit of a well right here. And we'll do another one right about there. We'll do our third one right there. Okay, so we'll do this quickly. First one goes in. Just like that. Second one. And then our third one. Like I said, we're gonna take this inside and we'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, and after 10 minutes, here's what we got. I actually kind of like my eggs over easy, but for those of you who don't, you got your fresh yolks over here. And obviously you could serve this out on some plates, but I'm just gonna come in after this, get some of this awesome hash, get some crispy bits. Let's go after that yolk. Oh yeah, here we go. This is one of those breakfasts, if you had a few too many sodas the night before, you know what I mean? Good stuff, here we go. That real nice peppery kick to it. Salty, crunchy. We got the carrots in there. That is just phenomenal. You got to try it. Nice and easy leftover breakfast idea for you. Hey, if you like this corned beef recipe, check out this one I did about a year ago, and I'll see you over there.